Today I'm going to unwrap a Levi's apparel that I bought yesterday from one of the authorized dealers here in Metro Manila, Philippines. And I bought this out of curiosity because I'm going to use this as one of my experiments on the fading of denim. So we're going to unwrap this and show you what is inside this bag. Okay, this is a Type 3 Levi's jacket. This one is size small. It is made in Bangladesh. You have the two pockets with flaps in front, and you have side pockets on both sides. And of course, you have those buttons from Levi's. And I bought this for 3,300 pesos. I got a discount for 200 pesos for being vaccinated from the COVID vaccine. This is the back portion. So practically this is what I'm doing right now. I'm looking for 100% cotton so that I will see the process or the number of days that this denim will fade. I'm avoiding buying those denims with elastin. So you have here on the top, it is made in Bangladesh, and then it is 100% cotton. So basically this is a raw denim. It has some tabs here, says how to take care of the fabric. This is the price in pesos, 3,000, almost 3,300, which is equivalent to $60, $65. Not bad. So you still have the usual trademark, Levi's, size small, and of course Bangladesh is one of the authorized countries to manufacture original Levi's. And so in the coming days, we'll see how this 100% cotton will progress on its fading. Our next step is to have a soaking for this denim, maybe for about 30 minutes, and then let it dry, and then we'll use it for the first time. By the way, the reason why I bought this Levi's Type 3 denim jacket is because in the middle 80s I have a jacket like this, but somewhere along the way in my storage it was eaten by termites, so that's it. And the first jacket that I had did not have any side pockets like this, so you have only two flap pockets in front without the side pockets. That's the reason why I became interested in buying this Type 3 denim jacket from Levi's, because they have side pockets. So we'll see how this will turn out in the next coming days, weeks, and months. Another thing that I like in this new Type 3 Levi's denim jacket with side pocket is that on the inside portion of the jacket, because of the side pockets, you have a hidden pocket inside. So it's nice to use this when you are traveling. You can secure your wallet or your passport inside this inside pocket. So very secured for your things, money, credit card, or anything that is very important. Most especially identification card, driver's license, credit cards, and your passport. So everything is secured because they have this inside pocket. One of the advantages of having this kind of jacket while you're traveling. Nice jacket. So with that, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe this video as we feature more raw denims, salvage denims, and boots, heritage boots on this channel. Thank you and have a good day.